Hi guys, it's Nunu. We're here in discussion one. You as protagonist, the central character in your own story. So what is this assignment all about? Well, let's scroll down and survey the assignment directions first. Okay, so right away we can see that we have part one and we have part two. It has two parts and information here about the timeline, requirements, the discussion rubric, the assignment purpose. All this information is hidden away in links right here because when you access an assignment in this class, I don't like you to be confronted by a wall of text and have to wade through a lot of writing. So all of this important information relating to this assignment described in part one and part two, it's all hidden away. Let's go ahead and let's just briefly read part one. Let's familiarize ourselves with what it's about, and then let's go into these links right here. Okay, so in part one, in 750 to 1,250 words, 3 to 5 pages, tell us about you, your story. 2, use either Freytag's pyramid or the hero's journey or some combination therein to structure, organize your story. Click on the links below to learn about these ways to structure a story. So we have these links right here. Okay. 3, click on the link below to become informed about what narrator type to use to tell your story. Do not use the first person, which is I, me, my, mine. Make another choice. So I have 7 narrator types, and I'm telling you not to write this like it's a diary or journal entry with I, me, my, or mine. I want you to make another choice. And why is that? Let me click on the assignment purpose right here. And assignment purpose. A lot of fiction writing is biographical. Writers use details from their lives, what they know, to make their characters seem true to life. That's why you're completing this assignment, to learn how to harvest details from your life to create art. See autobiographical fiction, this link here, for more information. So that is the purpose of this assignment. You are going to create art out of your story with you as the central character in your own story. Okay, so we've gone over part one, what you need to do. This assignment also has part two. And what is part two? Respond meaningfully to 2 of your peers' stories in a minimum of 125 words, a half page, for a total of 250 words, 1 page. Demonstrate that you've paid attention to what your peers write and offer constructive feedback. Thoughtful, kind criticism aimed at helping your peers to develop and improve their writing ability. Okay, so that is our assignment in a nutshell. You do have a timeline. It's in red. I'm going to click on it and show you it here. Post part 1 by 11:59 p.m. on Thursday and post part 2 by 11:59 p.m. on Saturday. Now, in Canvas, I am only able to list usually one due date because of the software. I always list Sunday, but you have a timeline I want to make you aware of. You have 2 parts to this assignment, and they are not due on Sunday. They're due sooner than Sunday, okay? Requirements, the discussion rubric, how I grade you, because although this is a story you're writing, it is also a discussion. You are responding to your peers and critiquing them in part 2. So the discussion rubric is important. And of course, I've gone over the assignment purpose with you. All right. If you have any questions or concerns about this assignment, I'm here in inbox. And next week, I will start using Confer-Zoom. So if you're not able to visit me during office hours and you want a face-to-face, we can have it here. All right, I'm going to say have fun with this assignment, and I'm here if you need me, and I can't wait to read your stories.